want to achieve financial independence? What does financial independence mean to you? How will you want to spend your time when you wake up and can make work an option? In other words, you do not have to go to work. You choose to go to work. With 8 locations and growing, Trilogy Financial Services is your turnkey solution with a vision of helping millions of Americans achieve financial independence.
Achieving financial independence, it varies from person to person. The first thing you have to do is kind of define what financial independence is for each individual. Financial independence for most people is the day that work becomes an option.
The first thing we need to do is find out what they're trying to achieve, look at what they have and see if they can get to where they want to go from where they currently are, and then point out solutions to make the plan happen more rapidly.
The Trilogy concept actually comes from a financial, tax, and an estate planning, so there's your 3 corners of the triangle.
When we formed Trilogy, we decided we wanted to have those experts available to our advisors on a daily basis.
By having qualified CPAs, estate planning attorneys, as well as us as the financial advisor, moving together in harmony better serves the client overall.
We do not only focus on the client, but we focus on what the impact of our recommendation is to the rest of their family, to the future generations as well. So we build long-term relationships with our clients.
Founded in 1999 by President Jeff Motzke and Kevin McIntosh, Trilogy has grown every year due to their unsurpassed trust and integrity with their loyal clientele.
In the last 10 years, the financial services industry has changed so greatly. There's lots of information, but there's no advice. And that's what people are looking for. That's the need that we feel that no one else is paying any attention to.
Their well-informed and forward-thinking advisors are kept up to date with the latest financial trends so that they can provide every client with major expertise and personalized service and care.
When you genuinely care about other people, it's easier to give them the personal service because you know who they are and what they want and what their dreams are.
I think as America has become high-tech, we've become exceptionally low-touch, and we do no business over the phone. So it's all done face-to-face in a one-on-one or a family with an advisor type relationship, which again is extremely unique in this business.
I think in today's world of non-personalized service, where most people are a number and they're not really a person. And here at Trilogy, we treat them all like people.
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology and a team of experienced advisors, Trilogy Financial Services prides themselves on providing unbiased, objective guidance.
The first thing that sets us apart is we're an independent firm, which means we don't have any Trilogy mutual funds. We essentially pick and choose what we think are the very best vehicles to help our clients achieve their goals.
We don't have any particular product or service that we have a hidden agenda and we want our clients to use. We really customize a plan based on what's suitable for them.
Another part of it is, I think, from a training and an advisory standpoint, we have a very state-of-the-art video conferencing equipment that really allows us to tap into all the different fund managers on the East Coast as well throughout the country, and it really gives all of our advisors the opportunity to see these people face-to-face and really hear from the money managers, which they can in turn pass along to their clients.
Our technology allows us to be really at the forefront of investment decisions, estate planning needs, tax law changes. So we've actually used that to our advantage in dealing with our clients to get really up-to-date information for all of our clients' investment goals and needs.
With a comprehensive approach, collaborating with other trusted advisors, such as attorneys and accountants, the representatives of Trilogy Financial Services are able to handle all your financial needs.
I've had the luxury now of seeing clients, start out with me and have literally nothing saved for retirement, and being able to tell them, congratulations, you've made it, you've achieved financial independence, and that's extremely fulfilling. I've actually had clients have tears in their eyes when I've told them that you no longer have to go to work anymore.
From generation to generation, you can trust the team at Trilogy Financial Services with all your financial concerns.